We just received Avital's new Charcuterie Chalet kit, and we are going to open it and experience it with everybody. Oh, there's so much more in here.
There's so much stuff.
There are so many ingredients in here.
Absolutely.
So here's a list of all the ingredients that you will get in your box, too, and you can make your house in any way you'd like. So you get to assemble your frame first, make it whatever fancy shape you want to. It worked! It worked! Now we got a roof! Now we got a roof! It's time to decorate. We're in decorating mode. So we've got so many items to decorate with. These are gonna be the cutest dang pretzel windows to ever exist. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow. We made it!
We did it!